The app is structured and all the features designed with the average user in mind. We borrow from professional best practices and lessons learned from the many successful family inheritance stories. We distill it to the essence and we make it simpler to meet the expectation and the needs of the layperson. We want it to be accessible to the average user, so every feature, every functionality has to be appealing, it has to be meaningful and practical. We hope that our app will educate the users in the planning process as well, so that as he or she interacts more with the platform, he will gain more and more insights into the motivations and the processes of value transfer. And using this knowledge, everyone can be empowered to make smarter choices and they can work closer with their loved ones to co-create a meaningful legacy.
If you look at our logo, you will notice that the letter T is actually a tree. In many ways, we see the legacy planning process like a tree. The height and the breadth of the tree determines its influence, how many birds it can nest, how many species of lives can make their homes in it, and how large a shade it can provide. But all these are only possible because of what goes on beneath the surface. One's legacy is only as big and tall and as how strong and deep its roots can grow. Oftentimes, people focus on what can be seen, which is a person's assets and wealth that they leave behind. However, they often neglect to look and focus at what grows beneath. At Heritance, we want to advocate that what grows beneath is equally, if not more important, which is the values. As seen from our logo, the roots actually depict the Chinese character Jia, which means family or home. And we believe that the family is the foundation upon which the assets and the wealth can be built. Further, if you look at the three colored petals in our logo, they represent the three principles of successful inheritance: stewardship, sowing, and succession. When the roots and foundations are firmly laid, then the leaves and everything that grows above ground can flourish.
In many ways, the tree analogy mirrors how we envision heritance to be the starting point and the foundation that families can begin to design good value and valuables transfer system. Yes, we will provide the platform and the infrastructure so that the elements of a successful estate planning process can come together with the convenience of an app. Just like Grab or Shopee, we will operate the platform, the core features, but it will be a plug-and-play platform for our partners. Better professionals and solution providers than ourselves can value add to our users, and with their best offerings, the users get to choose amongst the best of the best to suit their needs. Here at Heritance, we will facilitate families to be better connected together and intergenerational communication can be enhanced. That's our social mission.